How to view and edit your CustomCat products. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of viewing and editing your CustomCat products in your e-commerce store. Whether you're managing your inventory, making updates, or reviewing product details, we'll show you how to navigate through the platform easily and make any necessary changes. To get started, head over to the left navigation menu and click on My Products. Once you do that, select the store you want to view. Depending on how many products you have, the initial load time may take a bit longer, but don't worry, it's just the system pulling up all your listings. If your items don't load, click the refresh button in the top right corner. Once your products load, you'll be able to see all of them in one place. The platform offers a few ways to filter your products. You can choose to view everything in your store, whether it's synced with CustomCat or not. You'll also notice that there are different product statuses. For example, if you select the synced option, you'll only see those products that have variants fulfilled by CustomCat. On the other hand, not synced will show any products that aren't linked to CustomCat for fulfillment. This makes it easy to keep track of what's synced and what's not. Each product also comes with key details, like the listing image, the product title, and the synced CustomCat product style. You'll also see when the product was last updated, as well as its current status. This helps you keep tabs on which products are ready for orders, which might be out of stock, or if there's any issue like missing SKUs or discontinued variants. If you need to make changes to any product, it's easy. Just click on the product and navigate to Edit Listing at the top of the screen. You can also make changes by clicking the three dots to show the Actions menu and select Edit Listing. Once you've done this, you'll have options to update the fulfillment details, such as changing variant color, sizes, and design if you'd like. You can even overwrite the entire listing with new mockups and change the product description. If there are any issues with a product, such as it being out of stock or discontinued, you'll see those alerts right alongside the product information. You also have the ability to perform several actions directly from the product page. If you need to place an order for a product, simply click Create Order. If you want to make edits to the listing, you can do that with the Edit Listing option. If you no longer want CustomCat to fulfill orders for a product, you can choose to ignore it. And if you want to see how the product looks on your actual store, just click View Edit in Store. If you need to remove a product entirely from your store, there's a Delete option. But be cautious with this one, as it will permanently delete the product from your website and cannot be undone. For more in-depth help with editing your product listings, syncing your inventory, or making fulfillment changes, check out our additional video tutorials. And if you need more assistance, visit CustomCat.com for further support.